This is Angry Bird at the park. Ooh. I've never been to a park before because I'm only a tiny little birdie. Where do we go? Sorry about the extra noise. There's some lower guys. Ooh, it's this thing.
Let's get a live tour.
It's a lot staticky. Oh, wait. I'm gonna go down the slide. Woo! Whee! That was really fun, but now I'm all dirty. Let's put me down another slide and stuff. It's so bright out today. Here, I'm gonna do the monkey bars. Whee! Ow, I didn't make it. I couldn't make it. No. It's the train. Whee! My beak was all dirty. Now let's go down again. I'm gonna go down this slide now. Okay. Here we go. Whee! Up. Gotta go save me now. Okay. Let's go down the pole. I'm really scared to go down the pole because it just goes straight down. It's really scary. Again, I'm going back up. Oh, yeah. Cool times. Woo! Yeah, that was not so bad. Now I have to go get the bird. No, birdie. I need to get the bird though.
Watch it.
No, don't take the bird.
Angry. Oh, no.
Angry Birds.